Welcome to our fascinating journey through time as we explore how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing our understanding of the past. Imagine hearing the calls of the woolly mammoth, the fluttering sounds of the dodo, or the deep growl of the Tasmanian tiger, all recreated with the cutting-edge power of AI technology. While these creatures have long vanished from the face of the earth, AI offers a captivating glimpse into their sonic world, bridging the gap between science and imagination. AI begins by meticulously analyzing the closest living relatives of these extinct species. By studying their vocal structures, scientists can make educated guesses about the sounds these animals might have produced. Machine learning algorithms then play a central role. They sort through vast datasets, identifying patterns and extrapolating possible sound profiles. This data transformation allows AI to generate eerily accurate reconstructions of sounds that haven't echoed for millennia. The immense data processing capabilities of AI also allow for the reconstruction of the environment in which these creatures lived. Environmental factors like atmospheric pressure, habitat, and vegetation play a crucial role in understanding how sound travels and evolves. By simulating these conditions, AI provides a more authentic experience, making the impossible possible. One of the most groundbreaking aspects of this research is its contribution to science education and biodiversity awareness. Imagine students listening to a chorus of extinct sounds, gaining insights into biological diversity and the evolutionary processes that shaped our current world. This innovation not only deepens our connection to natural history, but also underscores the fragility of life on Earth. Moreover, AI-created soundscapes breathe life into museums and exhibitions, transforming them into immersive experiences. Visitors can now wander through ancient pastures, feeling as if they've stepped into a time machine. This newfound audio reality emphasizes an often overlooked dimension of our planet's history, adding depth to our understandings and experiences. As we continue to unravel the potentials of AI, one thing is certain: the past becomes richer and more vivid, offering a multitude of storytelling opportunities. So, what sound will we discover next? Thank you for joining us on this sonic adventure. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more incredible explorations into the wonders of technology and history.